Everyone wants six-pack abs, but most people are going about it completely wrong, spending hours on the same tired exercises while ignoring the movements that actually build a shredded core without a single piece of gym equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't need machines, just your body weight and the right approach. These 3 exercises plus one game-changing technique will get your abs working harder than anything you've tried before. This is your no-gym core workout. Let's get into it. The first exercise is bicycle crunches, and done correctly, these are one of the most effective six-pack abs exercises that requires nothing but floor space and intention. Almost nobody does these correctly. They rush through them, completely missing the obliques, the side ab muscles that create that deep carved look that makes a six-pack pop from every angle. Lie flat on your back, hands lightly behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Then switch. 2 full seconds per rotation. If you're spinning through these like a broken bicycle wheel, you're training momentum, not muscle. Slow it down and you'll feel more in 10 controlled reps than you ever did in 50 fast ones. The second exercise is the reverse crunch, the home workout movement that directly targets the lower abs, the part everyone complains about and almost nobody trains correctly. Standard crunches train the upper abs. Fine. But without reverse crunches, your lower abs are on vacation, which is exactly why most people develop upper definition but can never crack the lower portion of that six-pack abs look. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides. Bring your knees to your chest, then curl your hips off the ground, lifting your lower back away from the floor. Hold for a beat, then lower with complete control. If your legs are swinging, you're using momentum instead of muscle. Think compression, not swing. Once you master the basic version, try extending your legs straight during the lowering phase for a harder fat loss workout variation. The third exercise is mountain climbers, where your core workout becomes a full-body, fat-burning engine. Mountain climbers do something most isolated ab exercises never achieve. They train your core under dynamic tension while elevating your heart rate and accelerating fat loss simultaneously, building the core and burning the layer covering it at the same time. Get into a push-up position, hands directly under your shoulders, body in one straight line. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch, alternating legs while keeping your hips level and core completely braced. If your hips are bouncing, you've lost core engagement entirely. Keep them level. Keep the core locked. Want more intensity? Slow them down to a 3-second drive per knee. Slow mountain climbers are a completely different and significantly more brutal men's fitness exercise than the fast version. Now here's the technique that makes everything work faster. Mental strength. Most people breathe completely wrong during their abs workout. The fix is 360 core breathing. Before every set, take one deep breath and expand your entire midsection, front sides and back simultaneously. Then exhale forcefully as you begin the movement. That forced exhale creates intra-abdominal pressure that activates your deep core stabilizers automatically, making every rep more effective without changing anything else. This is the mental strength technique that separates serious athletes from casual ones. One breath, complete difference. Six-pack abs with no gym comes down to this: bicycle crunches for oblique development, reverse crunches for lower ab activation, mountain climbers for dynamic fat loss, and 360 core breathing to make every rep count. 3 exercises, 1 technique, 0 equipment, 0 excuses. Now go train. Your six-pack isn't going to build itself.